The default value of an initialized variable is undefined. This is a special data type that represents a value that does not have a definition yet. Or in simpler terms, your variable has no value. Am I right? I don't know. Anyways, you can still assign a value to initial what? You can still assign a value to an initialized variable. Yeah. Here is an example. So here is a variable called uninitialized. It has no value. It has only been declared. So we then assigned this already declared variable called uninitialized assigned to a string assigned. Yeah. Anyways, it says assign the string test to your second character variable below your declaration. So here is our already declared variable called second character, and it is uninitialized. It has no value. It's not like this. It has no assigned value. Either be number or a string, hello blah blah blah. Okay? So it is uninitialized. So we can reassign or we can assign a value to this uninitialized variable by calling in or writing here or the already declared variable second character and assign it to a value. In our case, it would be the string test. So you might be asking, huh? How did that happen? So this variable has been declared with the keyword let, and let keyword is known for able to its value be reassigning. So this if you use let, then it can be reassigned. That is what I'm trying to point out. So here we have declared a variable which is uninitialized, and then we assigned it to a string uh, test, which its value, which it would be its value. Therefore, this second character would be then initialized because it has now a value of string test. So if we run it, we have successfully displayed its value, which is the test. So yes, nice.